And we're moving on to example 2 on page 438 in our chapter 6, lesson 1. So it's 6.1, equations. And we're looking at lesson 2, and you're going to pull down together all the stuff you already know about what we've been doing with negatives and everything else. So we're pulling it all together and we're getting to algebra. And example 2 says solve. So negative 5, so you know you're going to need your negative rules, equals b plus 8. And b is a terrible variable because it starts to look like a 6. So you can substitute that if you want for an x. So anyways, we are trying to solve for it. And this is our balancing act. And so this value here, negative 5, equals all of this. But we're really solving for what b is. So let's go through this. Negative 5 equals b plus 8. And you're working on the b side, or the variable side, and you want the variable to be all by itself. So how do you get that? You do the opposite, or the subtraction property of equality. So you're going to balance it. So if I take 8 off this side, I have to take 8 off here. And look at my format. So positive 8, negative 8 scratches each other, and I'm left with, these are the same signs, so add them up. Get 13 and add the sign, equals b. And in math, we always solve for what the value of b is. So flip that around so it's not backwards. And we get b equals negative 13. So we're using all of the negatives. We're using a balancing act, always keeping it a balance, working on down. Okay, and so then we have to check it. So we write the original equation, negative 5 equals b plus 8. Hear my puppies? They're having fun. So now the all-important word is you're going to check this. You're going to see if you're right, so you can never be wrong here. So you substitute in. The value of b is negative 13 plus 8. And you're asking yourself, is this true? So you have to prove it. And if it isn't true, then you won't have the right answer. So we're working here. The only thing we can do is negative 13 plus 5. They're different signs, so you subtract, you get 5, and the 13 takes it. Sure enough, negative 5 equals negative 5. So your check is negative 5 does equal negative 5. So the answer of the value of b is negative 13. Thank you.